Okay, this is good. A few things to notice when talking about odd and even. Something equals something plus one. I mean, that means something is one thing is one of them is odd and one of them is even. Okay, and even is just an odd plus one, and vice versa. This would get more complicated if they weren't positive integers. I would have to worry about, being raised to a fraction, or being raised to a negative number, making it a fraction and then plus one. That might not be odd or even in every case because it's like a non-integer. It's not odd or even. But it gets pretty simple. Like, we really don't have to worry about it. It's x to the y equal in y to the x. If this equals that, that just means one side is even and one side is odd. So that really just means, x, y, x is odd and y is even, or vice versa. One of them is even, one of them is odd. Okay. So what do I know is going to be odd? Well, x, y, no, that'll be even because one of them is even, one of them is odd. So x, y is even. X plus y minus 1. Well, that's even plus odd is odd minus 1 is even. No. For x plus y minus 2, sure. Really just knowing that, one of them is even, one of them is odd. X plus 2y, well, not necessarily. It depends on which one is even and which one is odd. It could be that it's odd plus even, which is odd. Or if x is the even and then y is the odd, 2y will then become even. So even plus even is even. So that one's out. What I'm really looking for when I'm doing something like this is like an odd number in front of, is the coefficient in front of one of them, because then that will keep it, there's a situation where if x is the even, this is even minus odd is odd. But if x is the odd, it's odd minus even, which is again odd. That's our guy. Just to check, xy is even plus 2 is still even. It's this one.